Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to download code from Google Colab. First, go and log in to your account. Once inside, just select on the notebook that you want to use or that you want to download the code from. Now, once in, on the upper ribbon, click on this File button. Then from here, you'll have the option to download. If you want to keep the notebook format, you can go and choose download.ipynb. This saves your work as a Jupyter notebook file, which you can open later in Jupyter or Colab. If you'd rather have a plain Python script, select download.py. This option converts your notebook into a clean Python file that you can run anywhere, like VS Code or PyCharm. Now, just go ahead and select one that best fits your need. After that, you can now see it downloaded on your device. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you can now download your Colab code in the format you need, whether as a notebook or as a script. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tutorials.